In this video, I'm going to show you how to use FxPro MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing you want to do once you're on your account dashboard in FxPro, you want to go to Wallet and Accounts, and then you want to go ahead and select the account you would like to use to trade with. So either a real or a demo account. I'm going to showcase this with my demo account over here, which I have for the MT5 platform. Then you want to click on Trade. And you can go ahead and you can either use the web terminal, which of course is going to be opened up in a new tab, or you can use MT5, MetaTrader 5, which we're going to do right now. You can download it to your computer like this by clicking on this button, or you can of course download it from the official website. It doesn't really matter. Now what you're going to need is the credentials inside your email. So you have the server and the login here, but the password is going to be sent to you via the email upon creating your account. So let's go ahead, open up MT5, click on File, top left, and then you want to click on Open an Account. And then in here, you can see, you can search for FxPro, like this, and it's going to open up a few things, and the one you want to look for is this FxPro Financial Services Ltd. Click on Next. And then you want to go ahead, click on Connect with an existing account, and then you want to go to your email where you can see your credentials, your login, and then you can click on your login, paste it in, and then the password is going to be there as well. So go ahead, copy your password, paste it in too, and then the server is going to be listed. For me, it's the MT5 demo, and then you want to click on Finish. And as you can see, I've now successfully connected and I can go ahead and start using my FxPro account together with MT5. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.